Assalamu alaikum grade 3. Welcome you all in online science class, and this is lecture number 4, life cycle of animals, book page number 40 and 41. It's a type of revision lecture, so open your workbook page number 40 and 41. Okay student, as you have complete the reading of this chapter and also you have complete the workbook pages of this chapter, so it's a type of revision. Page number 40 and 41 you have to do it by yourself because you have complete this all questions in your workbook. Okay student, first one is, what does a life cycle show? How an animal lives, the food an animal eats, all the stages of an animal's life, or the way on an animal moves. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, which of the following is not a stage in the life cycle of a frog? Frog, eggs, pupa, tadpole with bag legs. Which one is odd one? You have to circle it. An adult butterfly emerges from a chalice, chrysalis, egg, or caterpillar. Where do birds build nest? Walls, cliffs, trees, or all of them? Which type of animal has the stages eggs, fry, adult in its life cycle? Fish, insect, bird, or mammal? Now you have fill in the gaps using the words given below. These are the word bank. You have to put these words in these blanks. This is the second question. Okay. Next page, mark these sentences as tick or cross. You also do it by yourself. Circle the stage. It does not belong to each life cycle. So you can this is also you have do it in your workbook. So I'm not going to explain it. You have to do it by yourself. It's a type of test. Okay. Label the stages in the life cycle of fish. Do it by yourself. Okay. So these two pages 40 and 41, do these pages in 15 minutes. Okay, you have the time of 15 minutes. Complete these two pages in 15 minutes and send me the answers. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.